Here we are demonstrating Solt wireless call bell solution. This can be used in homes as well as offices. This is a call display panel which works on a 12 volt power supply. We provide 230 volt power adapter which can be connected to power socket. These are the different call points. The display shows 7 characters call on the display, like bedroom. I can cancel the call by pressing the cancel button. If there are more than 7 characters, then the characters will scroll. Let's say I am giving a call from living room. In case of emergency, the person can initiate the call from toilet by pressing the call button or by pulling this string. So I am pulling the string to initiate the call. So it shows a different color. We can configure 6 colors in the panel. The call remains on the display for 3 seconds, which is configurable before the next call appears. I will cancel the toilet call. Now only one call is active, which is living room. I will cancel the call by pressing the cancel button. I am giving the call from guest room and second call from library. Sorry, I press the cancel button, press the call button, library. I can cancel the guest room call by pressing this long because it's a different type of call point. And the library call by pressing the cancel button. There is a mounting cover which can be used to fix the call point on the wall or a wooden furniture. Similarly, we have a mounting cover for toilet call point as well. This works on a point batteries. The life of the battery is 18 months to 24 months, and these are lithium batteries, leak-proof batteries, which will not damage the PCB. I hope this solution will be useful in a home as well as offices. Thank you.